Geothermal fluids is an indicator of a working geothermal system. So there are many geothermal fluids, like you can see fumaroles, gas, or hot springs, or steam heated water, and bicarbonate waters, and many others. And I'd like to take you to kind of have some simplified diagrams of that. So every time you have a major upflow of geothermal fluids from the underground going up, it have experience reduce in pressure. That's why it becomes boiling. When it's boiled, it's heated up the groundwater table, and then when the groundwater table is being heated up, it goes out away from the high temperature to a lower temperature, which means that it's going outside the system. And then when it intersected by a topography like so, you'll find a hot spring. And the remnant of the steam that goes up, taking a shortest path towards the surface, and you let out the steam, and on the surface, those direct connections from the upflow to the surface often results in fumaroles. As you can see, lots of these steam vent with yellowy, greeny sulfur formed on the rims of the holes. And if we have the boiling neutral pH sodium chloride type water as a primary fluid, and when it boils and it goes up, say if we have a shallow aquifer close to the surface, and then that shallow aquifer is being heated up only by the heat, it'll end up as a steam heated waters. Very low pH because of the process that experience oxidations from H2S to H2SO4, from hydrogen sulfide to hydrogen sulfate. And if we go along that shallow aquifer, and if there is another process that's called mixing with the original fluid in the aquifer, it may result in bicarbonate water. So that's usually on the periphery of the system, so it's at the edge of the system. And then what else? Sometimes you can only let the gas seeping out towards the surface, so the gas condensate, and then it will basically leave the gas up closer to the surface.